Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the YouTube URL, open the video, use the address bar or the share button and copy the link. Then open your Word doc and click where the link will go. Positioning matters for layout. Decide now whether you want simple text, a clickable thumbnail image, or an embedded frame. Each behaves differently in Word. Once done, you're ready to insert the link so readers can click through without guessing what it points to. Now insert the link. Select text or an image and press Ctrl+K or use Insert Link, then paste the YouTube URL into the address field. If you prefer a thumbnail, insert an image, select it, then add the link so the whole image becomes clickable. Make sure to set alt text for accessibility and format the link color or underline so users recognize it. Once applied, click the link to confirm it opens the intended video and make any visual adjustments. Finish by choosing Embed versus Simple Link. Use Insert Online Video in Office 365 to paste an embed code or URL so the player appears inside Word. Otherwise, a regular hyperlink keeps the document lighter. If the video won't open, make sure you have internet access, verify the copied URL, and confirm Word or Office updates are installed. Also test links after saving or exporting if you plan to share a PDF. Export and click the link there to ensure recipients can reach the video without issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.